Hello everyone, good noon this time. Once again, it's greengearups. Here I am unboxing Portronics Dash 7 wireless mic. Unboxing the Portronics Dash 7 omnidirectional Type C wireless microphone. This this live streaming to see the inside the box and initial impression only. Detailed testing and performance review will be shared after real world use. Here I go. Don't worry the outside noises, surrounding noises. Don't bother with that. This is my Dash 7 Portronics Type C wireless microphone. It's mentioned there with Type C receiver. And I need to check this out during detailed testing and performance review while I do some local rides. I do this. I try to open this box also. Don't bother with the surrounding noises. They're chaotic atmosphere all around here. Here I got my this Dash Portronics Dash 7 wireless mic. I will get the review during test driving. If you do have this some sort of devices with yourself, please kindly like, share, comment, provide your feedbacks, and let me know. It's supposed to be how I get that result. Thanks for watching this stream. Don't bother with the outside surroundings, the noises. There's too much of noises there. And please like, comment, share this live short stream to understand that the unboxing of Portronics Dash 7 wireless mic. This is not a sponsored or paid promotion video live. The product was produced to show you the personally and opinion shared independently and unbiased. Thanks for watching greengearups. I hope you like this short stream in trial and error method. So till then, bye. Thanks for watching greengearups. Please like me to subscribe this and give me your favor. Thanks for watching.